Five-time BassMaster Classic qualifier, Matt Harry. He's a BassMaster Open winner and Classic qualifier from Holt, Michigan, Chad Pipkins. Took an Elite Series win last season, looking to get another one here this year. From Oklahoma, Luke Palmer. His third season on the BassMaster Elite Series, Alex Redwine. Okay, I need everybody to get very, very loud. Officially kicking off his 50th season of competition. 32-time Classic qualifier, 16-time BassMaster winner, 4-time Classic champion from Ava, Missouri, the legendary Mr. Rick Clunn. Right behind him, a former college bass champion, his second season on the BassMaster Elite Series, Cole Sands. A 2-time BassMaster Classic qualifier from Alabama, Justin Hamner. He's a former Bass Nation national champion, a 2-time BassMaster Elite Series champion. Holds a record for the 5 biggest fish ever weighed in BassMaster Classic competition from Connecticut, Paul Mueller. He's a BassMaster Open winner, a 5-time BassMaster Classic qualifier from Peterborough, Ontario, Canada, Corey Johnston. Let's make some noise for him. He's Elite Series rookie, kicking off his Elite Series career right here on Toledo Bend. Welcome, Wesley Gore, the 2022 BassMaster Classic champion. He is an 8